6th standard. Pledge. India is my country. Sir, my brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and validated. I salute my parents, teachers, elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. I do my country and my people, let my ocean in the well-being, properties, alone as my happiness. Thank you, Miss.
My name is P. Nakshatra. I am studying 4th standard. Meaning honest, neighbor, innocent, apavi, angry, pasi, angry, kovam, adult, mudiyavar, eager, orvam. Thank you, Miss. My name is Sarah. I am studying 3rd standard. Rhyming words. Bed, red, blue, 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 you, leader, leader, play, play. Thank you, Miss. I am Nadi Seidandan. My study in 5th standard. Pledge. India is my country. Our Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and validated. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I salute my parents, teachers, all under respect, country, everyone, be courtesy. I do my country and my people, and the ocean in the well-being, peace, alongside happiness. Thank you, Miss.
I am Deepan Raj. I am studying 7th standard. 6 types of rags: extributive rags, cemetery rags, metric rags, extributive rags, imperative rags. Thank you, Miss.
My name is Sanjana Devi. I am studying 8th standard. It is meant by what is document? The word document means the information, note and diagram that describe the function and the use of a piece of hardware or software. Thank you.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उच्चल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जल शुभरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे जागे तब जय दादा जन गण मंगल नायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता जय